makeup. So right now, this one's a little damaged. So, first, okay, here we go. First, guys have a mirror. It's okay whatever mirror you have right now. Just using this mirror. Now we gotta put on the blush first, like this. The blush going to on your cheeks and your nose and your forehead, like this. And then after then putting the blush on, you take this, that's Dolly, and then you go apply it onto your, and then go rub the foundation and whatever that wipe hold on, whatever coats. And then you can take your favorite color lipstick. My favorite color is pink, so I'm gonna choose pink. Only do 2 tones, and then go place yourself in the mirror, and then got the lipstick is going on your lips. So let's put it on. Okay, and then now the top. Okay, almost done. You guys put the lips together. And then you got always twist it down. Okay. Now you can like just add your favorite color of lip gloss. And this is mine. It's a little flower. So I'm gonna take the both colors. Then I'm gonna put it on over the lipstick. Like this. Just like that. It's okay, guys, if you don't like my look. I'm trying my best out of the mirror. Now I'm gonna see how I look. Okay. Now I'm gonna put on which one is okay. So I think this one's pretty. So I'm just open this up a little bit. There, I got it open. Now I'm gonna take this brush. Then which color should I use, guys? I should use the color blue. And guys, always have a mirror. So guys can see what you're doing. Gonna put this mirror higher. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna pick the color blue. I'm picking the color blue. And then this eyeshadow goes on your eyes. On your eyes. I'm sorry for messing up on the camera, but please give this a video and smash. It's very bad when you're waiting. So you could just turn off the video, or you could just give it a break. Whatever it's doing, I'll put it on. Oh, and anyways, I'm in a different room. I'm in my loading area putting makeup on. So guys can listen now. And my mom's very good at putting makeup on. So I'll put it on this way. Makeup. It's so hard putting on makeup. Then I'm gonna wipe it off. And I'm gonna choose this bright sunny yellow. Okay, I'm choosing this bright sunny yellow. If you guys can't see it, I'll just choose pink if you guys can't see the yellow, because it's far away from the camera right now. So I gotta put it. Then purple. Purple is my favorite color because sometimes people call it purple violet, which that's my name. and if you don't know my big brother, he's a preemie because he was born old. This color God. I need pink. Okay. Ow. I should practice putting makeup on myself. So hang on, guys. Don't go away. I'll be right back, guys. For your eyebrows, and this is for your eyelashes. Now let's show you my makeup palette. So this is my makeup palette. Let me see if I can open it up, guys. No. So this is my makeup palette. There's a brush inside it. And can you guys like read this? Let's put it in the down below. Okay, now let's go on the lip gloss. This lip gloss is so shiny. I don't want to look at it all day. And it has pink and orange. This little heart is for nothing. This kitty is for filing your nails. This is for like whatever it is. These two things are for your lip liner. This is already dirty, so this brush is for this as the eyeshadow. This brush is also for like the eyeshadow too, guys. And then number one over here now. This is my comb with your mirror, and back here you guys can push it up, and then there's a comb, and you guys push it down, and there's nothing. And then guys go always close it. Nice and safe. And this is my little spongy. This is my little spongy that's going forever. This is the makeup foundation. If you guys can't see it, let's try to zoom in so you guys can see it. These two things are my lip glosses. And these are the two things on my lipstick. And this is for your foundation. And this is for your like mascara. This is for the eyeshadow palette. And this is for your little dolls. And that's all, guys, but I'll be right back so I can show you something, okay? I hope you enjoyed my makeup video, and then at the end of my makeup video, I showed you my favorite toys. So smash the like button, hit that bell, and I hope that I see you later, guys.